you studied what is blood. Blood is bright red color, thick fluid. In human beings, blood is flowing through blood vessels. Here you have to see composition of the blood. So in the composition, blood consists of two parts. So which are the two parts of the blood? First is the liquid part. Liquid part. And second is the cellular part. Liquid part of the blood is called plasma. Plasma. So what is the plasma? You have to write plasma. Plasma is liquid part of the blood. It is liquid part of the blood. Liquid part. It is light yellow colored. Light yellow colored. Alkaline liquid. Alkaline liquid. So you can write definition of plasma. Plasma is the liquid part of the blood. It is light yellow colored, alkaline liquid. It consists of 90 to 92% water. In the plasma, water is there. So how much water is? 90 to 92% water. Proteins are there in the plasma. Nearly 7 to 8% protein is there. Again, inorganic salts. Inorganic salts are present. Inorganic salts like sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, they are near about 1%. Traces of other substances are. So children, plasma is light yellow colored alkaline liquid. It consists of water, protein, glucose, amino acid, fibrinogen, hormones, urea. But from the plasma, when fibrinogen protein, this fibrinogen, this protein is removed, so that plasma is called serum. So you have to know what is the serum. Serum is the plasma from which fibrinogen protein has been removed. That is called serum. Now next you have to see cellular part of the blood. Cellular part. So which are the cellular part of the blood? First is red blood cells. It is called erythrocytes. Erythrocytes. Second is white blood cells. That is leukocytes. And third is blood platelets. Platelets. It is thrombocytes. Thrombocytes. So these are the three cellular part of the blood. So first you see red blood cells, that is erythrocytes. Erythrocytes. Red blood cells are minute biconcave disc-like structure. Mature red blood cells have no nucleus. They have respiratory pigment, hemoglobin, and it transport oxygen and from the lung to the tissue, and carbon dioxide from the tissue to the lung. Hemoglobin is made up of iron containing part, hemin, and protein globin. When it combines with oxygen, then it is called oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin. But when it combines with carbon dioxide, then carbaminohemoglobin. But if carbon monoxide is, then it can combine with carbon monoxide also and form carboxyhemoglobin. So it combines with carbon monoxide and form carboxyhemoglobin. In this way, it stop the transport of oxygen. Red blood cells are produced in bone marrow of lung bone, in ribs, breastbone, ileum, and hip girdle. In embryo, they are produced in liver. Mature red blood cells have no nuclei. The average life of red blood cells is 120 days.